good? What's poppin', you guys, and welcome back to Toyosi TV. So sadly enough, it is my last couple of days here in New York City, and what is a better way to spend this time than with you guys? So tag along with me as I explore New York for one last final time with my friends and my family. And if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't, but you're gonna have to stick around to the end of the video to find out where I'm moving to. So let me stop chatting it up and let's get right into this vlog. So today we're going to go eat. It's my mom's birthday. That's Jeffrey and Oina saying hi. We don't know where we're gonna eat, but yeah. We are going to Prime House and we're literally about to go walk in, and I'm about to take y'all on a journey for my last couple of days in New York City before I move. I truly hate it here, so let's go. We got indoor seating, but you have to wear your mask throughout the restaurant, and then when you get to sit down, you get to take off your mask. So that's why everybody has their mask off at the table. So it's good to have this mask off inside. Wow.
LV.
Wow. Wow. It's not limited edition. That's the original. Wow. Wow. Today we are at Top Golf for another birthday, of course. So we're here to go golfing. Hey, Abby wants to get a whole bunch of gifts. Okay. Happy birthday. Alright, check her out. Check the outfit out. Alright, wants to open her gifts. Somebody help my sister out with her bag. Alright. Okay, alright.
Okay, let's see what that is.
Wow! Oh no, what did he got? Wow! Wow!
Oh my God! No way!
Okay.
Oh
Alright.
Oh my God!
Wow!
You guys don't understand, right? I didn't want anything for my birthday because we're doing so much stuff.
Yeah.
So I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys so much. Oh my God!
Can I hold that bag though? Can I hold it? She let me hold it. She let me hold it.
Jeffrey, oh my God! You guys, wait, hold on. Jeffrey already gave me $2,000.
Wow.
And now he's giving money.
I know, that's wild.
Oh, that's to say, whoa.
Oh, can
That's
I
not be my lucky day.
can I hold 100 though? Can I hold
Thank
100
you
though?
so much.
Wow. Wow. So another day, we are in Coney, spending some time with these bum girls.
Before she leaves
the tears. Water, water.
If you ever come to Coney, elote is the best thing. Oh my gosh. I used to have these in Chicago. These are the best. Oh my gosh. You have to try these.
Give me that dope. I need my money or the niggas gotta go. If you're not giving hundreds, then I don't want to talk. If you're giving me kisses, baby boy, make it hot. Hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that shit. Make that nigga go quick, quick, quick.
2 for 2. Let's go.
We in Coney Island, know the niggas wanna see us. They trying to buy us stuff, but you know they can't be us. The bitches wanna see us, but they really are haters. Eating empanadas in Margaritaville killers. Everybody knows Moji chick is fat. She got a new chain and that nigga is cap. If you ain't got money, then you can't talk to me. 50s, 100s, I want all the money. Period. That's on the game. Wow.
So we on a boardwalk and it's packed.
It's very packed. And these kids don't have on no mask. Like, this is fake COVID. Government, fake COVID.
And we about to go to Paul's daughter to get Tobia.
Funnel page, because Coney got the best funnel page in NYC, baby.
So, Tracy is about to get a new car. She doesn't even know. She's coming downstairs with imaginary keys for Jeffrey right now.
You told her?
This is her new car.
What the hell is going on?
Press every button.
What?
Press every button. Okay, on the key. Press every button.
Hunter!
Come downstairs like this. Yo, thank you guys so much. I wanted to take you out, right? I gotta take you. Your time.
Test driving your new car.
I'm literally going around the block. Yo, I knew something was up. I'm like, why this boy left his key here? I'm like, wait, why my mom is going away?
You don't know anything about it.
Exactly. I literally was like, let's get dressed yesterday. She was like, no, I'm gonna pack.
You know I hate dressing up. So it's another day and I couldn't really show you guys the car, but look at this bad boy. I call it white chocolate. The white on the exterior and the black on the interior. I literally love the inside of my car. Like, I love this all black. Yes! Give me life. If anybody knows, black is my favorite color. Whew, I'm in love with this car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, I definitely did enjoy my surprise because I'll definitely be driving around in my new zip code with my new whip. And I did say earlier I was gonna share where I'm moving to, but you know what, I don't want to spoil it for the next video because the next video is gonna be a lit one because I'm actually gonna be showing y'all where I'm moving to. So just stick around for the next video because yeah, it's worth the wait. Definitely give your girl a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you think Toby is a rapper because she swears she's a rapper and she really isn't. Comment down yes or some fire flames, or comment down no or the garbage can for she's trash, because I think she's trash. I'm definitely comment down some trash cans underneath this video because that girl is garbage. All right, somebody need to throw a hefty on her. All right, I would also finish my outro, but I'm gonna let Blake let y'all know what the deal is. So Blake, let them know, let them know.
Find my channel.
Let them know, let them know, let them know.
Find my channel.
Let them know, let them know.
Find my channel.
Period. We will see you guys in the next video.